Normally, if you want to increase engagement on your posts, you probably do it like this, right? This is my Facebook page. You click on Boost Reel, then select your targeting options. Basically, you're running ads to reach more people. But there's one big problem. It's expensive. Yes, it can bring high engagement to your posts and reels, but it doesn't always guarantee real results or conversions. Why? Because when a post has little to no interaction at the beginning, no likes, no comments, people tend to hesitate. They're less likely to engage with something that looks empty. Now imagine turning a post like this from zero engagement to a post like this, full of likes, comments, and discussions, because social media algorithms love posts with high interaction, especially posts with conversations, debates, and active comments. That's where our software comes in. Here's the interface of the tool. You can use unlimited accounts, and each account can be assigned a different proxy. Inside the system, you'll find multiple powerful features: auto-posting to Facebook groups, messaging automation, comment automation, account warm-up, bulk account management. The best part, you only need to set it up once. The system will save everything, and next time, you just click Start, it runs automatically. In the posting feature, you'll also see a history section like this. After the software posts content, you can copy the UID of each post and boost engagement for all of them, helping increase overall effectiveness. To increase engagement, go to the seeding function. These are the accounts that will interact with your main post. Next, paste the link of the Facebook post you want to boost. Then choose the actions, like the post, comment on the post, share the post, react with different emotions for comments. Go to Content Management and prepare multiple comment templates. You can use spin syntax to randomize the content. For example, great post, very useful information, thanks for sharing, etc. Each account will randomly select different comments, making everything look natural. Then set the break interval time. For example, 20 to 60 seconds between actions. This helps avoid spam detection. Next, configure the number of threads. Threads mean how many accounts run at the same time. If you have 50 accounts, you should run around 5 to 10 threads simultaneously for safer scaling. Once everything is set up, just click Start. If you want to scale your Facebook marketing in a smarter way, send me a message and start boosting your posts automatically today.